Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY and IWM and QQQ daily weekly time frame. So the bulls buying the dip today in SPY, and they're still holding up. And the sector rotation that we're seeing go on definitely is keeping this market healthy. Although we've seen our weakness, we've lost the middle Bollinger Band, and we've lost some of the higher lows. Overall, this is really just sideways consolidation when you zoom out and look at everything. And you look at the weekly time frame here, and it's just really small, bullish, healthy consolidation. So sector rotation definitely helping this market keep its strength going forward. And what we need to see in order for the bulls to regain control in the short term is these lower highs need to break. So we have the all-time high and then 1, 2, 3 lower highs. So we need to see the bulls break 243.38, and then there's a little double top at 243.72. Break those levels by the end of this week, and the bulls do prove that they are back in control. We did close just above the middle Bollinger Band today, regaining that level after rejecting from it the past 2 days in a row. So that's another point in favor of the bulls. And again, the long lower wick showing the bulls buying that dip definitely favors the bulls as well. So still some proving to do in terms of heading right back to that all-time high, but we are really just $2 shy, which is not a significant amount whatsoever. So the weekly time frame still strong, holding exponential support, keeping those bulls in full control. And again, as I keep saying, as long as we hold the middle Bollinger Band, we're in a bullish channel. We could still pull back $5 and still be in the bullish channel on the weekly time frame over the long term, which is certainly keeping the bulls in control. IWM, back testing and holding the middle Bollinger Band. This is now the third time in 5 days where we have back tested and held this middle Bollinger Band support. So that's a strong and steady support at 140.85. We bought the dip. The bulls bought the dip and closed up near the high. So resistance is 141.85. 142.50 and 142.90 the all-time high. Bulls are really close here to getting this bull break, and really the psychology of the cup and handle pattern is present with the left side of the cup, the dip, the right side of the cup being lower than the left side. We consolidate on the inability to break out that level, and then we look for a breakout to a new all-time high. That's a potential setup we'll be keeping an eye on. Weekly time frame continues to reject from the weekly upper Bollinger Band resistance. 142.63 is that level. This is now a month in a row where we've been struggling at the weekly upper Bollinger Band. And if it would just get out of the way, we'd see a bullish MACD cross and we'd see new all-time highs. I do believe we are on the verge of those all-time highs either way, so patiently waiting for the bulls to just tag that level, see this bull MACD cross, and have all the momentum in their favor. So QQQ trying to bounce here inside bar on the daily time frame, and we're seeing this across the board in the tech sector. Have to confirm this candlestick. It's a very similar candlestick to June 28th, which was just an hourly oversold bounce that saw no momentum and no follow through the next day. If we do not see confirmation, a green day, and follow through tomorrow, we know not to believe that the bulls are turning anything around, and we know that the bears are still in control of the lower high and lower low trend. So the range to be watching is 136.16 support, 137.90 resistance. Whichever way we break from that level, or I should say that range tomorrow, will be very telling. And the weekly time frame here trying to hold the middle Bollinger Band of 135.24. So far doing so, and trying to fend off the bearish TCG cross here, which again has not happened in 2017. So if we are still weak, if we are unable to confirm that bullish reversal candlestick from today, we will look for potential next week seeing this bear cross follow through. So that's what we've got as we head into tomorrow. Pretty important day for the tech sector overall to confirm their strength. They have some proving to do. It's up to the bulls to prove to us that they're taking back over. So far they have not. Tomorrow will be telling. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.